everyone. Welcome back. Just I am here in the gold in the Indian market. You guys can see this is a 4-hour chart, and you can see the major support and resistance level. I am going to mark those levels. You guys can see those levels, and these are the major support and resistance levels. I'm not marking blindly. I just have early concluded with the minor time frames. Uh, don't do don't do this, guys, with knowing without knowing the proper knowledge. I have marked the support and resistance here. yeah Here also it's having a minor memory, where here you guys can see it. I can show you with another color range. Guys, see, the red is a minor support and resistance. The blue is a major support and resistance. let but let we move to our volume analysis. First of all, before going entering into the volume analysis, I'm going to show you the structure of the market. Guys, here the markets have a cheese uptrend, and it took some rest, came down with the cheese moment, and after that it just struggles to go up because they need more number of buyers to come. So this concludes the sellers were still in the market, and a little bit controlled by the sellers in the market. You can see after that the market came down and just conjectured here, and this and the next may and it will lead to the next memory level, sorry, support and resistance level. You can get it, guys, don't worry. I'm going to give you the possibilities for you guys to make good and a correct entry and make more profits. Let me see the volume here. The volume have the both were equal and they were satisfied, and after that you can see the bull candle, the single candle have lead the market from here to here. The single one bull candle, bull volume candle lead the market from here to here. You guys can understand from this. Guys, let me see the couple of big candles were ruling into the market. Just bulls came as a pullback. Don't worry, let me see in the 1 hour time frame for analysis for you guys to make clarify it. You can see the market just conjectured here. The market is downwards, the market just conjectured here, and wait for the US market open at the 6:30 p.m. in IST. After that the market will oscillate as much they can. They could reach down with the momentum, and they can go up with the high momentum, because the most probably the market will be down because the US has the major sources, and it tends to be like down in the market. Let we go for the further analysis. Wait, I just clear the charts. Guys, I'm giving the first possibility because the market is probably down because of the US. I'm just concluded the news in the US because the market oscillates, the whole volume comes from them. Let me see the first possibility is market tends to down. It may be but slow, and it can come down with a force at the 6:30 p.m. with the IST. It may come within before, and just wait for this breakout. Just consider here, wait for this breakout with high volume, guys. Okay, wait for this breakout with high volume. This is the possibility 1. I'm going to give the possibility 2. If the market breaks this level, the small black line, and then it will the first target, then it will lead it to here. If it breaks this and next level, it will be and it will reach here, guys. Next level, it will be in the next memory line. So don't just wait for the correct confirmation, and enter the trade correctly, because it's a whole now. It's your capital money is It's we're not playing, we need to make an entry correct, so that we need to know correctly what is in the market is the trading is not just a gambling, it's a business for you guys. Yeah, I have given the two possibilities. uh, Wait for the correct entry and make a good trade and make good profits. Yeah, cheers guys, enjoy the trade. Bye, and we see you in another analysis.